those of you who are teachers, especially kindergarten teachers, like I'm on camera, Asha. I'm like on camera. You understand? You get the story now. I'm on camera. What do you want? You want biscuits? You get it later. You get the biscuits. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Omotola. If you are new here, please consider subscribing and hit that notification button so that you always get notified anytime I upload a new video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in with me today. Thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate you guys. Today I am in the children's room and I did not even have time to do makeup or to even lay edges or do anything like that because I'm overwhelmed right now. If I'm not editing a video, I'm running after somebody or I'm shouting. I'm sure the neighbors have had it up to here, but I don't care. I must have my peace of mind, and if it requires me shouting, then I have to. I just have to. I can't. Let me just apologize in advance. This camera is going to be moving anyhow, in any direction. I have a crawler here and it's fascinated by my tripod. So how have we been coping with this compulsory stay at home, self-isolation, quarantine holiday? In fact, the name is endless. I've been hearing so many different things on the internet, and those of us with children, I won't go where. How are we coping, please? Because I need all the help I can get. I feel like I'm about to be screaming for 3 weeks non-stop. In fact, I've been doing my own for 2 weeks now. I've been homeschooling for 2 weeks, babysitting for 2 weeks. Plus these 3 weeks, they are not hard on top. It's like I feel like my son's teacher has been underpaid. I mean, I do not know how they do it. If you're watching this and you are a kindergarten teacher / children teacher, even children's church teachers, take it. You deserve it. The work you are doing is not here. It's not here. And for those of you who actually love doing what you are doing, as in bossa for you, this thing is work. I know it's for our good. I know it's just so that this crisis, this worldwide crisis, can come to an end. But I'm not finding it funny. But I'm taking it one day at a time. That is my resolution, to just take it one day at a time. Right now, we're in the room and it is playtime. We are not with it all our mouths. It is playtime. So right now we're going to be building some Legos. After that, we're going to go down for snacks, and then we're going to, I don't know, we're just going to do a whole bunch of things. We don't really have a routine as it is. If you have a routine, please help me out in the comment section. Oh yeah, go down there, please. I do not have a routine as to what I do every day, but I try to repeat the same things because I try to give them like an idea of what to expect. I don't know if that makes sense, but that is what I basically do. I give them, wake up in the morning and then we just go through the routines of bathing, brushing, have breakfast and all of that. But ish, that's been wonderful. Hold on 1 minute. My people, that's how I open crèche in this household. That's how we have opened crèche in this house. I have become the kindergarten teacher, I have become the nanny and cleaner, janitor, everything combined in one person. And I'm still the mommy. I will come and pick them after the school. My routine has been disrupted. I feel like my life has been disrupted. Oh my god. I really don't have a routine yet or a schedule that I put them on because it's constantly changing, and no matter how much I plan or try to take control of the situation, because I'm one of those people who like to plan ahead and control what happens to me, but it really doesn't work that way. I have constantly had to change my plans, change my routines. Even the routine that I just got on with my uploading schedule for my cook channel and my vlog channel has been disrupted. Everything has changed. Everything is changing. Everything is constantly going to be changing. I just hope I'm going to be able to meet up with my deadlines, especially for my channels and all of that. But I'm willing to push ahead and make this thing work. So let me know how you guys are coping with this compulsory stay-at-home leave that we are currently on. I pray that God will answer our prayers, and I really pray that this thing comes to an end right now, because I mean this thing is really shaking up the world, like for everybody. This thing is really affecting everybody, and I pray that it comes to an end very soon, so that we can just go back to our normal lives. And but it is what it is. Yes, like I said, this is playtime. I'm going to be building some Legos, build a city, tell a story, whatever rocks their boat, and